Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you a clever trick for creating vertical dividers in your workspace using quote blocks. First, type the slash command followed by the word quote to bring up the quote block option. Go ahead and select the quote block from the menu to add it to your page. Now grab that 6-dotted handle on the left and drag your quote block to wherever you'd like your divider to appear between sections. Here's where the magic happens. Pull the horizontal spacer down as far as it'll go to minimize the block's height. Notice how your quote block has transformed into a nice, clean vertical line. To extend the divider's length, click inside the quote area and press Shift plus Enter to add lines until you reach your perfect size. You can fine-tune the position anytime using those horizontal borders. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create custom vertical dividers to organize your content exactly how you want.